Poland is a complete punchline nowadays, being mocked as it gets partitioned by its neighbors. However, what if this wasn't the case? What if Poland was a superpower? This is Histo from the History channel. To make Poland a superpower, we had to get rid out of its main opponents. Firstly, Prussia, by Poland defeating the Teutonic Knights, and thus there is no Prussia. Secondarily, Austria, by Poland letting the Ottomans to conquer Vienna. With both Prussia and Austria out of the picture, Germany is unlikely to be united. Then there is Russia. So simply by the Poles conquering and occupying Russia. This already happened in our timeline, and I would not go any further explanations. With Russia out of the picture, the Poles would expand into Ukraine, making it a new heartland. With the Poles expanding instead of the Russians, the Sarkisians would have an easier go, and thus would have been able to expand and become the strongest Caucasian nation. Also, with Russia being occupied by the Poles, the Volga Tatars would expand to Siberia. With both Austria and the Russians out of the picture, the Ottomans would have survived a lot easier in this timeline. That is the end of this video. I really hope you enjoyed it. Like, comment, and let me know in the comments what you want to see in the next video.